In this section, we will learn all the fundamental elements of sketching. Sketching is essential to 3D modeling, and Fusion provides many sketch tools that enable us to construct high-quality sketches to then later 3D model. We'll start by understanding all of these sketch creation tools, their location on the toolbars, and their keyboard shortcuts. We'll then study the sketch modification tools, pattern tools, and very importantly, sketch constraints. At the end of this section, there are 3 sketching assignments for you to test your knowledge and capability to sketch in Fusion. All the tools required to model these sketches are taught within the following lectures, so I look forward to seeing how you get on with these assignments. Each lecture in this section is presented step by step, and I will walk you through how we can use these sketch tools for common practices. I'll be giving a range of examples throughout the lectures, which I recommend you follow along with me and take the opportunity to practice these tools and familiarize yourself with what they are used for. In the following sections of this course, I'll be regularly using the tools covered in this section, and so will you. So, let's start sketching.